Good afternoon. Welcome to this Bitcoin update. Okay, let's have a look at the price of BTC. So it's been a bit of a busy week for myself. Done a lot of trading. Also was putting together a very important webinar, which is going to be mind-blowing because no other YouTuber has ever done this. It's coming out very, very soon, maybe in a week's time, exclusive to Nas.io. And it's gonna blow your minds, guys, but I'll be dropping some more information on that very, very soon. Okay, let's have a look at the price of BTC. Drop. We did predict this dropped. We did take a short entry from there as well, and plenty of day trade opportunities this week. I actually like when price does this. It gives us a lot of trading opportunities, a lot of them, because especially when prices drop, we can trade back into the using the mean reversion strategy and also the VWAP strategy as well. But let's have a look at what's actually going on with this price action. Now we can see that we are at PDQ at the moment, which is good. So I am going to be building a new position here, a long position at this price level. I want to see realistically what happens in the next couple of hours. Do we lose this level or do we hold this level? Because if we can hold this level, it's very, very good level to hold, in my opinion. And this is not financial advice. You do your own research. So what we can see is that price itself is sort of holding support here. Doesn't look the greatest, but it's too early to say. So my target would be PD high for a day trade or weekend trade or before Monday trade. But ideally, I'm targeting a lot higher. I'm targeting this white line here at 107,500, where we do have a naked daily point of control. We do have some levels underneath that we need to watch. One thing I'm not a fan of are these equal lows. Yeah, I don't like these equal lows, and that does concern me because we can always come back there. We did have some equal lows the other day, which we came back and filled. And that's a good sign that we are above this level. Because we wicked down and nearly took out these equal lows, it is a concern for me. A loss of PD low, in my opinion, is not going to be very good. And a loss of 97,000, this level here, well, it's not going to be good because any drop that we get down is only going to be met with a retracement back up into resistance of 97.98, where I will be looking for an aggressive short position. We're not there, so we don't need to worry about that. I would like us to claim this level. We need a strong close above PD high. Okay, we need a strong level. From there, we can look for a more aggressive long position. And obviously, on the 4-hour time frame, everyone's talking about this W formation. Who gives a crap about the W formation? Okay, we need to look at market structure and buy pressure. And at the moment, we still have a lot more sell pressure. Okay, where do you want to see buy pressure? I'm going to show you where you need buy pressure. You need buy pressure right now, and you need buy pressure above this level. We need buyers stepping in above here, not down here. Because if we have buyers stepping in down here, they're going to retrace and take profit there. It's easy to understand. They don't tell you this on YouTube. So yeah, we need to reclaim this level for a continuation up. And the way structure is being built at the moment is too early to say. It's too early to say. Why? Because we have inefficiencies below us. We keep leaving those inefficiencies below us. I'm going to show you where they are. They're in this zone here. Okay, a blind man can see this. We have inefficiencies in here. Let's just go to order flow very quickly. These shorts getting wrecked, shorting the bottom. They just don't learn, do they? Right, let's get this off. Let's just bring up a cleaner chart. What was that level I was looking at? Dynamic VWAP. We're still above the dynamic VWAP. That's a good sign. Oh yeah, here we are. Here we are. Right. Okay. Yeah, there we are. 99,200. 99,200. Let me just check something else. This side. What's happened here? What does this look like? Shit. Yeah, confirmations 99,200, 99,500. Don't like that at all. Okay, I do not like that at all. So, yeah, okay. Let's just have a quick x-ray into that. What's the open interest like? Okay. Yeah, so we need to be concerned about that area, to be honest. Let's just go back here. So it is a bit of a, well, actually, to be honest, if I lose my dynamic VWAP, then we have issues as well. So look, sorry, I'm mumbling to myself, guys. No, I'm not making much sense, but if you did take my order flow class webinar, you'd understand what I'm talking about. But since a lot of people just want to look at charts, candles, I don't understand how you can take a trade based off that. So let's have a look. We have shorts, a lot of shorts today. We do have a lot of shorts. We're probably going to get a short squeeze coming up. I can feel it. I can see it. Oh, yes. Okay. Yeah, we can see that. We can see that ahead of time. Okay. So yesterday's New York session was quite good. I mean, I did that on LBANK. I will be releasing a video very shortly on that today at some point. So currently at the moment, we are in a bit of a high risk zone. Personally, I'm not going to take a long position just yet. And the obvious reason is the only long position I would entertain, and it would have to be a scalp position, is above this VWAP. And even that trade there will have a 0.5 stop loss, and I'll be targeting 104. Daily open first, or and then 104. Looking at the actual charts itself, the trading view, I'll be targeting PD high. If we can break above that, I will add to that position more aggressively. But for me, this is a problem. This is a real big problem for me anyway. I want to see price come back in this before I even entertain a long swing position. I see everything? People ask, well, to be honest, I'm not bearish, I'm not bullish either, because we're just going through a normal correction. And I entity price level and dynamic market volume profile. I know we'll go back up. I know that. I can see that. I can see a squeeze coming from just the data that I'm looking at here. But I have to get the best entry for BTC. So I'm going to expect higher prices. I think we might reject 108 to 110. And if it's an aggressive rejection, we may come back down to 96, 92 area. That's a projection. Do you understand? So that's really my weekend projection, because I can't really project much in the range we are in, because of my problems that I have down here that I don't like. Do you understand? So yeah, I mean, we're in a range, and we really want to see a bit more data. Now, looking at some VWAP bands that I have taken on Exo chart, I can see that we have some support levels underneath us and resistance above us, and we're in this second band, just fluctuating in this band. So if we can hold this band, yeah, of course we can see higher prices. We might get rejection here. So I mean, it could scale into a long position, because we do have support down here. Let me just check the... Okay. Let's have a look at something else as well, to be honest. Let's turn on the markers for a minute. So previous day open, we're above that. That's not bad. No problem looking at the longs, and no problem looking at open interest either. Not on a Saturday anyway. Yeah, it's a bit of a tough one. I mean, a part of me wants to go long. You know, a part of me wants to go long. A part of me doesn't, because I'll be breaking one of my rules. So I don't know what to do in this situation. Do I go long? Do I scale in? Price is definitely going to go above us, and it's definitely going to go below us from where we are right now. So I think I'm going to actually give it a few more hours and notify if I do take a long position in my Telegram group, and I'm going to actually notify, make an announcement on X. But at the moment, I'm just going to say stay static. I'm not going to do anything. I want to see how price develops in these VWAP range. Can we hold PD open? If not, then we're going to look for lower. I don't want to come lower. I don't want to come back here, and I definitely don't want to retest PD open. I want to go up above, but I can also take a less risk trade, 102,500. This is not a breakout trade. There's a big difference between breakout trades and VWAP strategy. And if you want to learn about my VWAP strategy, links in the description below. Tight stop loss, target high, brilliant. Okay, that's all I have for you guys. Unfortunately, I don't have much information. That's all I have for you for now. I will be doing a bit more of an update tomorrow. Just quick reminder, you can follow me on X, where I do actually give trade setups, etc. Also on my Instagram channel, where I give some insights to trading and my new courses, and various webinars will be available on Instagram, and the link to join that. So you want to follow me on Instagram. And I want to give a big shout out to our sponsors of the channel. BYDFI is sponsor of the channel. It's offering a 20% deposit bonus. There's a trading competition coming out very soon. Click on this link and you'll get a 20% deposit bonus. I have reopened my Telegram group. It's free for the first 3 months, so you need to deposit at least $500 in your BYDFI account. Send me the UID on Telegram and I'll let you in, where we share daily trade setups, live setups, altcoins and BTC. And LBANK is another sponsor of the channel, an exchange that I do use on a daily basis as well. And they're offering a 200% deposit bonus. Both are no KYC, both are very good exchanges with no latency problems and a good order book as well. So a big shout out to both of them. And there's also MEXC as well. So that's all I have for you guys. Thank you, and remember to subscribe, like, share.